Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the joystick replacement kit for Meta Quest 2 controller. If you're like me and love your Oculus Quest 2, you know how crucial it is to have reliable controllers for an immersive gaming experience. But over time, those joysticks can wear out, leading to frustration and decreased performance. That's where this kit comes in. First off, let's talk about the quality of the components. The joystick and thumbstick caps are made of high-quality silicone material, ensuring durability and comfort during long gaming sessions. The third-generation joystick, in particular, stands out with its sturdiness and improved design. With its enhanced internal spring and increased number of grooves, it's built to last. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included T5 screwdriver, tweezer, and pry tool. These tools make it easy to open up your Oculus controller without much hassle. Plus, with 2 replacement joysticks and 4 thumbstick caps included in the package, you'll have everything you need for a complete repair. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the dreaded drift. If you've experienced joystick drift with your Oculus Quest 2 controller, you know how frustrating it can be. But with this replacement kit, you can say goodbye to drift issues for good. By swapping out the damaged joystick with a new one, you'll restore precision and responsiveness to your controller. And here's the best part: the lifetime quality warranty. The manufacturer stands behind their product, offering a 60-day money-back guarantee and lifetime support. So if you're not entirely satisfied with your purchase, you can rest easy knowing that customer service is just a message away. In conclusion, the joystick replacement kit for Meta Quest 2 controller is a game-changer for Oculus Quest 2 users. Whether you're dealing with joystick drift or simply want to prolong the lifespan of your controllers, this kit has you covered. With its high-quality components, easy installation process, and lifetime warranty, it's a must-have accessory for any VR enthusiast. So why wait? Upgrade your gaming experience today with this fantastic kit. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming! Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.